In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust image contrast in Canva. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Canva. In the results, choose the official Canva site. A quick way to confirm you're in the right place is to look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar and the canva.com domain. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access your projects and tools. After logging in, head to your home page and open the design that contains the photo you want to enhance. If you're working on a multi-page design, navigate to the exact page where the image lives. Give it a moment to load so all editing options are available. Inside the editor, click directly on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it and the top toolbar updates with editing options. In that toolbar, click Edit Photo. If you're working in an older design, this button may appear as Edit Image. It takes you to the same place. In the panel that opens, switch to the Adjust tab. This is where Canva groups the core tonal controls. Under the Light section, find the Contrast slider. Contrast controls the separation between the darkest and lightest areas in your image. Think of it as the lever that determines how bold or soft your photo feels. Higher contrast emphasizes edges and differences. Lower contrast brings tones closer together. To increase contrast, drag the slider to the right. You'll see the darks deepen and the highlights brighten, which adds punch and definition. This is great when your photo looks a bit dull or washed out and you want your subject to stand out. Make small, gradual moves and watch important details like faces, textures, and skies. If whites start to look blown out or shadows lose detail, ease the slider back slightly. To decrease contrast, drag the slider to the left. This softens the transition between lights and darks, creating a gentler, more subdued look. It can help tame harsh shadows or produce a vintage, film-like mood. Be careful not to go so low that your image appears flat or muddy. You still want enough separation to keep shapes and features clear. As you adjust, it helps to view the canvas at 100% for an accurate sense of crispness, and to pause for a second so your eyes can adapt before making another tweak. Remember, these edits are non-destructive, so you can revisit the slider anytime and fine-tune until the image matches your style. That's all you need to confidently control contrast in Canva.